that? That shit ain't even worth it.
How many kids are going to go in foster care? How many of them are going to be abused physically, emotionally, sexually in the foster care system? How many are you going to save?
If I can be honest with you, federal judges have made orders and they have not been respected. So I want to give people like these people the benefit of the doubt that they will listen to that order, that federal order, but I just don't know if that's going to be followed.
National Guard out of LA! Let's celebrate. We're not going to get tear gas today. Let's go.
I mean, it's great news. You know, it's a momentary win for us that the Guard is being returned to the governor. This does not mean that the fight stops out here. There's still a lot to accomplish. I'm sure the Trump administration is going to appeal this decision. We've seen him defy court rulings in the past, and we need to be very aware of that. And so the people of this community have to stay loud. They have to stay in the streets, and that's going to continue until ICE is no longer using weapons of war against our communities, and the president is no longer employing the National Guard and the Marines against its own people.
This is what democracy looks like. This is what community looks like. National Guard out of LA! National Guard out of LA! National Guard out of LA!
Oh my gosh, we can finally have a peaceful protest. We can finally focus on the LAPD, right? The LAPD yesterday tear gas children. So there's still things we have to get done here in our city. But I don't think we're going to see as much anger or aggression because democracy's withholding. If Gavin does not want to release the troops on protesters, then he's not going to do it. And what Donald Trump did was a huge overreach in power, and it will not be tolerated in California, and it will not be tolerated in the United States from here on out.
I wasn't necessarily a fan of his before because I didn't see him really speaking for Angelinos, let alone Californians. But after seeing how dedicated he is to protecting us and our rights, I'm just very pleased with the outcome. Yeah, pleased with the outcome, but also pleased with his actions. Yeah.
Our streets! Our streets! Our streets!
Hello.